Hello teachers, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at Canva, and though I'm on my iPad here, I want to point out that you can use this same platform in any browser at canva.com, and I've created a free account for myself. This is a great tool for creating digital posters or infographics, or like I'm going to do in this video, a picture collage. And so at the top right, I'm going to tap to create a design, and one of the easiest ones is just the little Instagram post, which gives me a nice square to work with. And so the first thing that comes up here are some templates, and you can see, like I mentioned, that I'm using a free account, and so the pro options are not available, but there's lots of different templates that you can use if you're so inclined. But I'm going to add some pictures from my camera roll to complete this team project that I'm working on for school. And so I've got some radical bandmates here that I'm adding to my collage, and I can just resize these pictures and tap on each new one to drag it around, and you can see these guidelines showing up that help me make each picture the same size. And so as I get these moved into place, we'll look at some of the other features of this app, including the Elements option, which gives you great access to stickers and things that you can use to enhance the story you're telling. And so I'm just going to look for a guitar here. And again, you'll see the Pro options, but I'll want to pick one that doesn't show Pro. And then you'll notice that when you add one of these stickers, here across the top, you have options for changing those colors that are involved. Now, I kind of like the color scheme that it's added here for me. I think that looks pretty cool. But I want to point out, again, these guidelines that show up so that I can get this centered nicely on my page. I also have options here at the top right for changing the transparency or position of the sticker element that I've added there. And so then my next feature is a text feature, and it gives you really cool different font combinations that you can try out if you decide you like one of them. And so I kind of think this looks fun. And so when you tap on one to add it, if you double click in the box and then triple click, you can delete whatever's written there. And then I'm just going to type in some new words here. And then if you drop the keyboard down, you can resize this element by grabbing the corner and dragging it in, making it more appropriate for the picture collage that I'm creating here. And of course, that keyboard can come back up at any time so that you can change what you have typed as well. So I'm just going to move this up here a little bit on my screen and do a little more resizing, maybe a little more rotating, get that how I want it there with the guitar. And then the next feature we'll look at here, though you can add audio and video and you can upload more of those things as desired, it's sometimes nice to change the background. And so again, there's lots of different options built in here, as well as some solid colors there at the top of the screen. I'm going to do something a little bit more psychedelic here. That looks kind of fun. And then when you're finished with your project, in the top right corner, you have options for downloading and for sharing. Since I'm on an iPad, I'm going to go ahead and download this project to my camera roll, because then I can share it easily to other platforms as needed. As always, if you need assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.